Welcome back, everybody. I was going through the flexible combat system feature request section and I found one for switching from first to third person and vice versa during runtime gameplay. So we're going to go over that right now and show you all how to do it. So with that said, we'll get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to the flexible combat system, blueprints, player blueprint, get that opened up, and we're just going to open up the inputs tab. And then what we're going to do is come down over here to our variables, and I already added it in, but here, I'll just delete it. We'll make it together. We're going to create a new variable, and this is going to be game play style, and this is going to be gameplay style enum gameplay style. This is default in Unreal in the flexible combat system. In the function library is where you normally set this for the game you're making. So the next thing that we need to do is come over here to the content drawer, go back to flexible combat system, inputs, keybinds. I already made one, but I'll make a new one just to show you how. Input action IA underscore toggle view. We're going to open up this toggle view, and it's going to be a digital bool, but trigger wise we want to make it pressed. That's important because if not, you'll get a weird flickering issue back and forth. Come back, hold on, back over here, go back to input file, and we'll open up wherever you want. I put mine in the movement actions. We'll add a new mapping, and this one will be toggle view, if I could spell, and you can set this to whatever you like. So I'm gonna just for testing, I'm gonna set it to H, and then I'm gonna add another one just for testing for the left shoulder button, and save. So back in here we want to search for IA underscore toggle view, expand that out. We want to get our gameplay style get, and on triggered we want to do a flop node. So what this node does is when you push it, it'll go through A the first time and then B the second time. So we want to, if it is equal enum to third person, we're going to branch check, and plug this in, and then we're going to copy paste this node, bring it down here, and first person, we can copy paste this, and that's Control C and Control V if you didn't know, to here. Okay. So then we got to do a little bit of copy and pasting so we don't have to type it all out. So if we come up here to construction script, and all of our stuff here for third person and first person are there. So what we're going to do is we're just going to copy all of this, and then we're going to go back to our inputs, back to where I set it, and we'll paste it in. And so third person is going to go to first person, like that, and this one will go to here. And that is pretty much it. So then, if we come in here and hit play, we can run, and we can push, and we are now in first person. And if we push it again, it didn't work. What didn't I do? I literally just had this working before I did this. Let me go look at what I did wrong. That's what I did right there. Set gameplay style. Oops, I think. There we go. That was the problem, because it was reading as it was third person the whole time because we weren't setting this. So now it should flip back and forth. So you can run around, switch it into first person, switch it out, switch it back in, switch it out, switch it back in, switch it out. We could also do a timeline if we really wanted to. I'm not good with timelines that much, but we'll see if we can. Oops. Add a timeline here and view change. So we'll do that, and on finished we'll do that, and then open this up, and we can make it something like 1, add a float track, key curve, and key curve. Compile, see if that did it. I don't think that it did. Maybe if we make this something like 2. And unless I'm doing something wrong here, I'm going to play from start. Oh, I know what we need to do. We need to get the time. Let's see here, give me just a second. I will do another one on this. I don't want to keep wasting time here for you guys, so I will do an update on that for you down the road. But I know this has been a huge request from a lot of people in the Flexible Combat System Discord, and this is how you do it. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like always, there is a Ko-fi link in the description if you appreciate my work and would like more of these tutorials. And if you could like and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. It'll help me grow a little bit. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.